80, 80,
The number 80.
70, 80, 90. They've invited 80 guests to the wedding. Detail, 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 detailed.
Information about someone or something.
I've sent off for the details of a job I saw advertised in the paper. They haven't given me any details yet. A police officer took down the details of what happened. Laugh, 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 laughter, laugh.
To smile while making sounds with your voice that show you are happy or think something is funny.
They laughed at her jokes. I couldn't stop laughing. I said he'd have to give a talk and he laughed nervously.
Shampoo, shampoo.
Shampoos.
A liquid substance that you use to wash your hair.
An anti-dandruff shampoo. Directions: wet hair, apply shampoo and massage into a rich lather. Art, 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 artist, artistic.
The making or study of paintings, drawings, etc., or the objects created.
Modern art. An art exhibition or gallery. Art and English were my best subjects at school.
Sink, sink.
Sink, sink.
A bowl that is fixed to the wall in a kitchen or bathroom in which you wash dishes, your hands, etc.
A bathroom or kitchen sink. Polite, polite, politeness, impolite, polite, politely.
Behaving in a way that is not rude and shows that you do not only think about yourself.
I'm afraid I wasn't very polite to her. He was too polite to point out my mistake. She sent me a polite letter thanking me for my invitation. Fire, fire.
Heat, light, and flames that are produced when something burns.
The library was badly damaged in the fire. It is thought that the fire was started deliberately. It took the firefighters 3 hours to put out the fire.
Discount, discount.
Discount, discount.
A reduction in price.
They usually give you a discount if you buy multiple copies. They offer a 10% discount on rail travel for students. Shorts, shorts.
A very short pair of trousers that stop above the knees.
Tennis shorts. She put on a pair of shorts and a t-shirt.
Temperature, temperature.
How hot or cold something is.
Preheat the oven to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. There has been a sudden rise in temperature over the past few days.
How hot or cold someone's body is.
The doctor examined him and took his temperature.
To be hotter than usual because you are ill.
My throat hurts and I have a temperature.
Single. Single.
Single. Single.
Not married, or not having a romantic relationship with someone.
A single woman or man or person. He's been single for so long now, I don't think he'll ever marry.
For only one person.
A single bed. A single room. Break. 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 Outbreak. Break. Breakable. Broken. Broke. Broken.
To separate into two or more pieces or to make something do this.
The dish fell to the floor and broke. They had to break a window to get in. I dropped the vase and it broke into pieces.
To damage a bone in your arm or leg, etc.
Barbara slipped on the ice and broke her arm.
If you break a machine, object, etc., or if it breaks, it stops working because it is damaged.
I think I've broken your camera.
When you stop an activity for a short time, usually to rest or to eat.
A coffee or lunch break. We'll take another break at 3:30. They worked through the night without a break.
Nobody. Nobody.
Nobody. Nobody.
No one.
No person.
Nobody called. Nobody agreed with me. There was nobody there I could ask.
Drawer. Drawer.
A box-shaped container without a top which is part of a piece of furniture. It slides in and out to open and close and is used for keeping things in.
I keep my socks in the bottom drawer. I don't like to go through other people's drawers.